Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change CVT transmission fluid in a Nissan Versa Note. First, let's prepare for this important maintenance task. You'll need essential tools like a drain pan, fresh Nissan NS3 CVT fluid, and a reliable torque wrench. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is securely on a level surface, supported by sturdy jack stands. Always consult your owner's manual for precise fluid specifications and detailed, model-specific instructions before you begin. Now, let's proceed with draining the old fluid from your transmission. Begin by locating the transmission drain plug, typically a 19mm bolt, found on the bottom of the transmission pan. Position a large, clean drain pan underneath to collect the old fluid. Expect approximately 2 to 4 quarts. Carefully remove the drain plug, then the internal standpipe, allowing all the old, often dark green fluid to drain completely and thoroughly into your pan. With the old fluid fully drained, it's time to refill your transmission. First, reinstall the internal standpipe and then the drain plug, ensuring you use a new crush washer for a proper seal. Torque the drain plug to 25 foot-pounds for security. Next, locate the CVT fluid fill tube, which might be hidden under the battery or airbox. Using a clean funnel, slowly add the new Nissan NS3 CVT fluid, matching the exact amount you drained, typically 2 to 4 quarts. For the final steps, start your engine and carefully cycle through all gear selections, pausing briefly in each. Allow the transmission to warm to between 95 and 113 degrees Fahrenheit for an accurate fluid level check. On a perfectly level surface, verify the fluid level is correct using the appropriate method for your vehicle. Remember, proper and responsible disposal of used transmission fluid is crucial. Take it to an approved recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.